Few weeks ago, my old multimeter just died because of me. Instead of moving on, I go to the market and bought a new digital budget multimeter. In online, you will find hundreds of multimeter choice. You will see $5 to $300 multimeter. So which one you should purchase? Do you need the expensive one or just budget one is enough for you? And in this video we'll talk about it. And remember, this video is not about a specific brand or a model review. In this video I'll guide you what multimeter you should choose based on your work and your need. Before I show you the multimeter, there is a quick point. If you are working with electronics, IoT, robotics, industrial automation, PLC, all kind of stuff, multimeter is not optional. You must need a multimeter. And this is the first tool you will buy. You will buy it before the soldering iron, breadboard or anything, because it tells you voltage, current, resistance, and a device is working or not. You can't see electricity. You will see the electricity through these devices. And it's like doctor has stethoscope and we engineers have multimeter. Okay, let's start. This is the box, and inside the box you will find three things: battery, the meter, and connecting wire, the knob, probe, and a manual. Okay, take it side, and this is the multimeter, you see. And I have to put this battery inside. Okay, this is the multimeter main overview. You can see if I change this, there is a sound tit, and let's check what is here. Everything. At first there are two buttons. It is for the back LED. There is a brightness, if you can see it at night, and this is hold the value it is. And then there are some DC voltage. Let's check. I have a battery here and I put it in 20 volts and it's showing me what, 1.6. and there is AC voltage. Let's check. Testing the AC, we have to click it to here, and let's check by if it's 200 or not. I know it's more than 200. Let's check. It's overload. That means we have to increase the value, and this is 240. And if we see, let's check, is there any DC here? There are some simple value of DC here. You can check also DC, and there are some reading for check the battery, and it's for 1.5 volt, and this is 1.5 volt battery. Let's check it, it is working or not. It's showing me it's a good battery. And if I take a old rusty battery and let's check, it's showing me low. That means it is battery is need to be changed. And there is a option for showing the current. This is DC current. If you need AC current, this meter is not capable to do so. You need to change the meter. You have to connect this probe to there and connect it to series. Remember this, series. And there is a option for continuity. First you have to change it to there, and in this option you can select to diode. You can test the diode is working or not, and there is a continuity. You have to change it through this button. And let's check, this is this is a same wire, so it's showing the continuity. And there is for resistance, and let's check. I have a 1 kilo resistor, you see, 980. So yeah, if I have to hold, this value will not change, and I can make it off on from there. Yeah, and this is to turn off. These are the all features of this multimeter. So why I buy this multimeter again and again? Because my old multimeter have served me for 5 years solid service, and it died because of me, because I was working and rainwater got into it and the resistance measurement is damaged. So it's my fault, not the multimeter. And my multimeter and I learned this lesson hard way. Water and electronics are not friends. And since it proved that it's a good multimeter, I don't overthink, I just repurchased. And I have a plan to invest on a high accuracy multimeter for serious work. So if you are learning, prototyping and doing some electronics regular work, this multimeter is perfect. And if you are working in high accuracy work, I'll talk it later, this is not recommended for you. So what is the difference between high, medium and low cost multimeters? Because this is the place where most people are confused. And to learn this, we need to learn about what is true RMS. True RMS is the method of measuring AC voltage or current, and that gives the current effective value when AC waveform are irregular or distorted. That means if your input signal is not pure sine wave, there are some distorted part and the wave is look different. If your multimeter has true RMS, it will measure it perfectly. So if you work very sensitive and high accurate work and your value should be perfect, you need a multimeter which one has true RMS. And those multimeter has true RMS, these are expensive. So other than this true RMS, what are the other thing? Other thing is the low multimeter has manual ranging, basic accuracy, the true RMS thing, a limited function like no capacitor, no temperature, and good for student, hobbyist, and basic field work. And the mid-level multimeters are auto ranging, high accuracy, sometimes true RMS. There are some more functions and good for hobbyist, freelancer, and workshop workers. And the high L multimeters, there are true RMS is standard, high accuracy, safety rating, and built for industrial and professional purpose, and good for professional electricians and engineers and safety issue. So if we summary this, the main point is which multimeter has true RMS, high accurate and solid build. This is expensive, and other than that, most of things are mid-level and low. So if you are a student, don't overthink, just purchase a mid-level or budget multimeter, that will be enough for you. So that's the thing you should remember before purchase a multimeter. And I have given a recommended list in my blog post. You can see, check it out, because in blog post I will change it. And there are some meters you should avoid. I just given you the multimeter photo here, and these are the very cheap multimeter. These are not accurate, and if you purchase this kind of multimeter, this will be damaged anytime. So don't purchase this kind of multimeter. Purchase a good brand multimeter, and budget multimeter will be enough, no problem, but don't purchase this cheap. So that's it, that's about the multimeter. That's why I purchased this multimeter, and there's the list of things you should remember before you purchase a multimeter. So just remember, don't just overspend, purchase multimeter based on your work and your need. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Do you need a full tutorial on every topic and every range there are? So this time I am keeping this multimeter away from rain.